Place the toilet carefully over the wax ring so it seats straight the first time. Start by centering the bowl over the flange and visualizing the 3 and 9 o'clock bolt positions. Before lifting the toilet, set the wax ring on the flange and, if available, add a foam or polyethylene spacer that keeps the ring aligned. These are thin and prevent sliding. Keep the closet bolts upright by snapping on plastic alignment tabs or threading a short piece of flexible plastic or a zip tie around each bolt to form a temporary guide. Lift the toilet with at least one other person so you can lower it in a single steady motion straight down without rocking or shifting. As the base approaches the floor, let one person guide the bolts into their slots while the other steadies the bowl and watches the wax contact line up with the flange. Once the bowl rests, press down evenly with body weight on the rear, then the front to compress the wax ring uniformly and avoid one-sided squashing. 3 common mistakes are angling the toilet as it contacts the wax, which creates gaps and leaks, so always lower straight down and use guides to prevent tilting. Placing the bowl and then shifting it to a line bolt, which tears the wax, so instead align before full contact and only rotate slightly if absolutely necessary, and trying to set the toilet alone, which increases the chance of misalignment, so get 1 or 2 helpers to control vertical motion and bolt placement. If the bolts are bent or too loose, replace them and use new plastic alignment tabs to keep them perpendicular. If the wax ring compresses unevenly because the floor or flange is not level, install a flange extender or use a thicker wax or wax-free flange seal to ensure a uniform seal. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and includes a discussion community where we share tips like these, and homeowners can ask clarifying questions. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, showcase experience, and respond to local project requests.